What's up guys, I'm glad to have you back. So last month I actually made a video about the BTC Dana and I actually shared a strategy that I actually used to make money trading right here on the BTC Dana exchange, okay? And if you look right here, it says I had a total trading income of about $500 last month trading right here on the BTC Dana, okay? And if I scroll down, if I go to my trade history right here, you can see it has been most of profits. Most of the profits were actually closed by take profit, okay? So I actually shared a signal group that I actually used to trade right here on the BTC Dana, and last month, which was December, I actually had a 100% win rate using that particular signal group, and you can basically see it right here in my statement, okay? And right now I'm currently trading with the signal and I'm in profit, and in this video I'll be showing you a step-by-step guide on how to basically trade right here on BTC Dana and actually in that amount of money like I did last month for yourself, okay? So I would like you to watch this video to the end so that I can get the full basic details on how to go by this and how to get started with this, okay? But before we dive into that, I would like you to please take small of your time to smash the like button and subscribe to this channel. Here I basically talk about different ways I've made money online. We're actually trying out different things ranging from crypto arbitrage opportunities to trading updates like this, and also different things that I've made money from online, okay? And one thing about me is that I actually like doing it live so that you can see it, and if you want to actually dive into it, you'll be able to implement it yourself, all right? Now, without wasting much of your time, let's dive into the process right away. Now, to basically get started with the BTC Dana, I'll be dropping the link in the description section below and also in the comment section below. You can easily create your account using the link and actually download the app from the Google Play Store, okay? Now, once you download the app, you can verify it using any government issued ID card, okay? So right here on the BTC Dana, you can actually trade both Forex and also futures markets right here on the BTC Dana, okay? You can trade Forex markets like the gold, like the Euro USD, and many more, okay? And also futures market like your BTC, the Ethereum, and the Solana right here. You can check them all out right here, okay? So basically, I've been trading right here with a signal group, and this is actually a VIP signal group, okay? But not to worry, I won't ask you for a penny if you want to actually join this signal group, okay? I'll be stating a simple requirement you need to actually complete if you want to join this signal group, okay? Now, this is because I actually need only serious traders right here in this signal group. And we've been dropping signals right here for over 2 months now, and we've actually had a very good win rate using the signals from this particular group. And that is why the requirement is actually there for now, all right? Now, let's talk about how to actually trade on the BTC Dana with the signals. Now, one of the recent signals that was dropped right here is actually on the ETH/USDT market, which is actually telling us to sell, okay? Now, to actually get on this signal, what I'm going to do is to come right here to my BTC Dana, and then I'm going to look for the market, which is the ETH/USDT right here. I'll select it this way, all right? Then, since the signal actually says we should sell, I'm going to come here, I'll click on the sell button, okay? Then right here, it actually provided an entry price, all right? So what I will do is to actually come here and click on pending order right here. Then right here where we have enter price, I'm going to put in the price, okay? So as of the time the signal was dropped, I was supposed to enter at this price, but right now the market has actually moved above that price, okay? So what I'm going to use is actually the position right here to also get into this trade because the market has not moved really far from that price. Then down here where we have volume, this is where you set your lot size, okay? Now your lot size depends on your capital and also actually tells on the amount of profit you're going to make, okay? Now looking at my balance right here, I actually have enough balance to actually enter this trade with a higher lot size, okay? So I'm going to be entering this with a 0.05 lot size, but if your capital is within 10 USDT, 20 USDT, you should use the 0.01 standard lot size right here. And it also depends on the market you're trading, okay? Because the Ethereum market is not as volatile as the BTC or the gold market, okay? So this is actually a very good lot size you can use if you're a beginner or if you don't have much capital to begin with, all right? So right now that I've set my lot size, the next thing I want to do is to set my stop loss or take profit, okay? So to do that, according to the signal right here, it says we should set our stop loss to 33,000. Okay, so I'm going to set it right here. Then I'm going to set my take profit to the first take profit right here, which is the TP1 at 3090, okay? So we have 3090 right here. So this is actually telling me that the profit I'm going to be making, if it actually hits this price, is about $22, okay? So I'm actually okay with this. Then we have the margin right here. Now, the margin basically means the portion from your funds that the broker, which is the BTC Dana in this case, keeps aside from your account balance to actually keep the trade open, okay? So with this margin, we're okay with this, okay? So this is the fee. So right now, I'm going to click on the sell button and the order is successful, okay? So right now, if I come right here to my trading, you can basically see the new trade I actually placed right here. So we are currently in a loss, but not to worry. This is because the market is actually, moving, okay? In trading, you don't actually expect the market to actually move in your direction immediately you place your trades, okay? Sometimes you will face some shifts that will go against your current position, but not to worry. That is why the stop loss is there, so that if it actually gets out of hand, it will be a precaution for you not to lose your total funds, okay? Right now, let's see how this signal goes. I'm actually going to pause this video right now, and once it actually hits this take profit, I'm actually going to come back and we'll show you the result. But then before that, let's talk about how you can deposit if you're looking to trade on the BTC Dana, okay? To do that, you come right here to asset, and then right here in asset, you click on the deposit button right here. So you have two deposit options here, okay? The first one is for fiat deposit, and second one is if you're depositing with crypto options, okay? So if we click on the deposit button, which is the first one right here, you can see the bank transfer option right here. And this is the rate at which you'll be depositing $10 into your account if you're using the bank transfer method, okay? And you can also check out the crypto option where to provide you with a wallet address, and you actually make your deposit, and you can deposit as low as $10 right here on the BTC Dana to start your trading journey with, okay? So let's see how this trade goes and we'll come back with the result. And a moment later, guys, you can see we're currently in profit in this trade, and the one actually placed in that video actually executed. This is it right here. And as you can see right here, it was closed by the take profits that we placed previously, okay? And this is currently in profit right now, all right? So I could actually leave this to take profit in TP3, okay? I can also set that. I can come here and set the take profit. So I'm going to set it here, and this is the estimated profit. So I'll click on the confirm button right here. So I've added the other take profit to it. So this is how you can easily make money using this signal group to actually trade, and the signals are actually legit and they've been good so far, so good, okay? And also, signals are not dropped here every day, and that is because you have to take time to actually analyze the market to know the best time to actually place your trades, okay? So we don't usually drop signals here on a daily basis, all right? Now, to be able to join this particular signal group is quite very easy. All you need to do is to actually sign up on the BTC Dana and verify your account, and actually fund your account with at least 20 USDT. And once you do that, send a screenshot to me on Telegram, and I will be giving you the link to this VIP signal group, all right? Now, the 20 USDT you're going to be funding on your BTC Dana is totally for you, okay? And whenever you trade right here, whenever you make profit, the profits are yours, okay? So I'm not actually asking you a penny to join the VIP signal group. All I need are serious traders who want to make money with me, so that I will not be celebrating the wins from this signal group alone, okay? So that's the only thing you need to do, all right? As of the first time I talked about the BTC Dana, this group was completely free. I think I left the link in the description section of the video, but I've actually removed it because I found out that people who are not interested in trading were in the group, and I want to actually separate it from my normal group, okay? But if you want to get more updates on different ways I make money online, you can join my general group, which is the income interest. I'll be dropping that in the description section of this video, okay? So that'll be all for now, guys. I hope you find this very helpful, and if you do, please don't leave without smashing the like button and subscribe to this channel, and I'll be seeing you guys on the next update. Have a nice day. Bye.